This is Ruchi here from Ours Just Hair Salon. I know we are all quarantined and we are very disturbed with our hair color. Everybody is worried what to do. The grey hair is showing. So this video is specifically made keeping in mind all those people who are in trouble, what to do with their grey hair. I don't think that there could be a better time than this to go grey and leave your hair color. It is shocking, right? My hairdresser fraternity might just kill me. But honestly, I think it's not a bad idea. If you go grey, it's fine. Can you imagine that this is the time when you won't be stepping out? You have no social pressures, there's no competitiveness. And it's perfect to go grey. It's not unfashionable. The hair will get a new lease of life. If you let your hair grow out, can you imagine when the salon opens and you go to your favorite stylist and give them a chance to color your hair then? How beautiful the result will be. Right now, if it's an emergency color, otherwise just let it grow out. So what are the tips that can help you to go grey? One of the tips is that get a dramatic haircut. After the quarantine, of course. And if you feel like experimenting right now, so go ahead. No problem. Get a haircut that you would have never otherwise done. Just let the grey hair grow out. The second tip, use a blue shampoo. There are many silver shampoos and many blue shampoos specifically meant to cut down the yellow tones, the orange tones that come into the hair after you leave your hair color. The grey should look specifically, beautifully salt and peppered grey. And if you don't have any pepper, it's all only salt. There's no harm. Later we can put some highlights. When I say leave your color, this is the third tip. When I say don't color your hair, doesn't mean that you'll never color your hair, but color it more fashionably. It doesn't mean only cover your grey. Coloring does not need to be limited only to grey hair coverage. What if you had all grey hair and you had a dip dye look at the bottom, or you had a chunk of beautiful color? There are so many different techniques to color your hair. So don't think you'll never color your hair. Another important tip.
Don't let your mind wander. Just think how beautiful it will be when it all gets a chance to grow out. Don't get influenced by people. Just stick to your own mind.
The fifth tip is, when you go grey, when you decide, when you've made up your mind, it's all a mind game, let me tell you that. Grey hair is not unfashionable. Grey hair is not old. I have not colored my hair yet. I only color for fashion color. I don't color my grey hair. It's very important to keep in mind that when you're not coloring your grey, to add more color into your wardrobe. Like I'm wearing this accessory just to show you. Wear a bit of makeup so that you don't suddenly look so dull and drab. It's very important to accessorize yourself. So put more color into your life otherwise. Wear more makeup, wear more colored clothes, accessorize. And the sixth tip, which is very important, is never compromise on your products. Use a sulfate-free shampoo, use a sulfate-free conditioner, use an argan oil, use some shimmer shine products, and you have to visit your stylist. You must go to get some kind of color incorporated into the grey. Don't just suddenly think that I'm not going to color and let it grow out. And there's not a single process that a hairdresser can do for you that you go and ask for a service, can I have a grey hair color? There's no service like this. So there's no other way but to go grey gradually. Keep chopping the hair, keep cutting it out, and you can keep adding highlights, add more color into your life, and your hair will become healthier than before. I hope you're enjoying the videos. Please like, subscribe, and share as much. Thank you.